Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and today I'm delighted to introduce the Sterilite Cabinet, a storage piece that has brought new order to my home. After years of struggling with cluttered corners and messy shelves, finding a solution that combines both style and functionality feels like a small victory. Priced at $99, it's an investment I didn't expect to make, but one that has paid off handsomely. As someone who cherishes peace of mind, I appreciate how this cabinet think of it as a trusted ally in maintaining harmony, whether safeguarding valuables or creating tidy havens in overlooked areas. Its elegant simplicity blends seamlessly into any room, making organization feel less like a chore and more like an enjoyment. Let's explore together why this cabinet has become not just a purchase, but a cherished part of my daily life. I recently acquired the Sterilite 4-shelf cabinet, and what a delightful find it has been. As someone who's lived through countless storage solutions that wobbled or fell apart, this one truly stands out. The first thing that caught my eye was how sturdy it feels, even holding heavy items like bottles of laundry detergent and pool chemicals without a hint of wobble. Assembly was a breeze. I managed it all by myself in about half an hour, and that's saying something for these old hands. The shelves are adjustable too, which means I can customize the space depending on what I'm storing. It's made from a durable plastic that looks clean and modern, and I appreciate that it's not too heavy to move around, making it perfect for tight spaces. Now, where have I put this wonderful cabinet? It's become an indispensable part of my home. In my garage, it holds garden tools, my shears, rakes, and even the leaf blower, all neatly out of the way. Inside, I use it in the pantry for canned goods and seasoning jars, and it's just the right size to fit comfortably on a shelf. I've also placed one in my laundry room for extra cleaning supplies. What I love most is how it adapts to my needs. The adjustable shelves let me store tall items like brooms on one shelf and smaller containers on another. It's especially handy for keeping snacks out of reach of my grandchildren while still being accessible for me. Like any product, it isn't perfect, but the pros far outweigh the few small downsides I've noticed. On the plus side, it's incredibly sturdy, locks securely, which is a lifesaver when I have grandkids over, and wipes clean with just a damp cloth. No fuss. The plastic material feels thick and reliable, though I will say it isn't completely waterproof. I keep mine under a slight cover when outdoors, just to be safe, but indoor use has been flawless. My only minor gripe is that at $99 it feels a touch pricier than similar plastic storage units, but after using it, I do believe it's worth every penny for the quality and durability it offers. Let me share a little personal experience. Last week I needed to reorganize my small apartment, and this cabinet was a godsend. At 5 feet 3 inches, reaching high shelves can be a challenge, but this one is lightweight enough that I could easily reposition it with a small step stool. I adjusted the shelves to fit items like linen, paint cans, and even my old vinyl records. The lock feature gave me peace of mind when I stored some valuable tools. Cleaning it after a year of use, a simple wipe down with a cloth, and it looks as good as new. I've even used it to store seasonal items like holiday decorations, and it hasn't shown any wear. If you're debating whether to buy this cabinet, my advice is don't hesitate. It's a fantastic investment. It's perfect for anyone needing sturdy, versatile storage, whether in a garage, pantry, or even a small apartment. The lockable doors are a wonderful feature for keeping things secure, and the ability to adjust shelves means it grows with your storage needs. Yes, it's a bit of an investment at $99, but after years of use, I can confidently say it's built to last. For anyone like me who values ease of assembly, durability, and a tidy space, the Sterilite cabinet is a truly wonderful choice. My dear friends, if you're as thrilled with the Sterilite cabinet sturdy storage as I am, give this video a hearty like. Subscribe now to keep your shelf of reviews well stocked with more trustworthy tips. Let's stay organized together. Click that bell for future home essentials.